Arvind, can you start the
Yeah,
slide?
shall I start the screen sharing?
Let me ask. All the members of Team A are here.
Yes.
Just raise your hands.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Team A.
Others as well.
मेरा रेज हैंड नहीं हो रहा है.
तुम co-host हो, ठीक है. ठीक है अरविंद, तुम स्टार्ट कर दो उसका स्क्रीन शेयर.
So we will be showing you the demo of the game Tambola.
एक सेकंड. अरविंद एक बार बैक करना. हेलो एवरीवन, आप लोगों को यहाँ पे पार्टी रूम दिख रहा है. आप लोगों को लॉगिन करने के लिए पहले आप लोग पार्टी रूम में क्लिक करेंगे. नेक्स्ट प्लीज. Then you will all have to join. We will provide you the ID and passwords from where you can join. Then go to enter code, where you can enter the party ID and code. Like we will provide you the party ID and code.
There will be 3 specific ID and password for 3 specific team.
Team A, see your WhatsApp. We are sending you the party ID and code.
Welcome to Octo Tombola.
Okay, I think hello.
Yes sir.
What you are currently doing is you are giving a demo.
Yes sir, ये एक हम लोग रफ समझा दिए लोगों कि जस्ट लॉगिन कैसे करना है.
Okay, so we are having a time crunch actually. So what you do is after you have given the demo, take this game off Zoom. Okay, and whatever the next event is, which is supply chain matrix, is the team ready? Is the team available? Are they logged in? Supply chain matrix.
Actually, some players of the supply chain matrix are also playing Tambola.
No, that is fine. That is fine. We are just taking this off Zoom. Okay, you can continue offline. That is not an issue. What you need to do is you need to simply explain to the participants, contact the participants, explain to them that you will make the announcement for the ending of Tambola and beginning of Zoom, such that they are all communicated and they can leave Tambola and join Zoom. Leave Tambola and join supply chain matrix. Okay.
Okay.
Is that possible? After you have
Sir, sorry to interrupt you in between, but the supply chain matrix is fixed for a limited time, whereas Tambola is also fixed for limited time with the individual team sets, sir. If once the supply chain matrix is started, then the participants of Tambola, who are also the participants of supply chain matrix, would have a like difficulty to which side they should move on. There will be a clash of both the events.
No, I am not asking you to do it parallelly.
Sir is telling that after completion of one game, we can announce for the starting of the second game. That is sir.
As far as I understand,
I could understand Monojit. Aditya, please listen carefully. Monojit sir is suggesting whether it is possible that after you explain these intricacies of this Tambola, then you move this game offline, so it can continue offline. And
Yes,
in the
sir.
meantime, on Zoom, we will start the other. This is what Manojit
No. Situation
Supply chain matrix is offline game, Manojit.
Supply chain matrix is offline game. That is not an issue at all. No demo is needed because already the participants for supply chain matrix, they already know the game. This is what I understand, right? So what we need to do is we need to simply introduce the Tambola, take it off Zoom. When the Tambola finishes, participants who are also playing supply chain matrix, they need to move over to supply chain matrix. Can you handle this without Zoom? That is what I am asking.
Can this be done offline?
Yes, sir. Okay, we
Yes,
can
sir.
do
Yes,
that.
sir. Yes, sir.
That is off Zoom simply. So please
Okay.
introduce the demo of the Tombola, then
So
close
fine,
down
let
the
us. Yes, sir.
the
Okay.
Zoom session so that we can release the Zoom account.
Okay, sir. Give me a minute, sir. अरविंद तुम एक पार्टी आईडी क्रिएट करो और स्टार्ट करो गेम.
And I think all the participants for Tombola as well as Supply Chain Matrix know that the results for these two events will be announced on 7th.
यस सर.
Yes, sir. Yes.
आप लोग को हम लोग ऐसा लिंक भेजेंगे. लिंक के ऊपर आपको पार्टी आईडी दिख रहा होगा नाम के नीचे इन द मिडिल ऑफ द स्क्रीन. तो आप लोग वो पार्टी आईडी डालेंगे और पासवर्ड डालेंगे तो आप लोग को एक पेज आएगा सामने. मैं दिखा रहा हूँ, एक सेकेंड.
Please make sure that everybody understands your communication. Whenever you are using anything other than English, please make sure everyone understands. Okay? And if participants have any issue, please raise hand or put it in chat.
Participants will not have to buy the tickets. The tickets will be given by the admin only. They just need to start the game. Like at the down right corner, there will be a start game. As you can see in the upper left corner, there is a number 89. These numbers are being called out automatically, and in every 10 seconds, the number will change. By seeing the number, you will have to check whether your ticket contains the same number or not. The number which your ticket contains, you will have to tick them. After ticking the number, Arvind, can you click on claim? You can check whether any of your claimable items are here or not. Like early 5 refers to the first 5 numbers when you have completed. Then you can click early 5. But if you click a number and it has not been called out by the computer, so it's a wrong call and you will get automatically disqualified. So just check before the number you are clicking and then claim. And for checking, you can go to the upper right corner's green arrow. Arvind, tap on green arrow. After tapping the green arrow, you will get the full board. The yellow numbers are the numbers which have been already called out, and the red numbers are the numbers which are left. So just check before you claim any of the lines. Four corner top line refers to the full line. Like here, all the numbers like 14, 25, 30, 41 and 50 refers to the top line. Same as the middle line and the bottom line. Top corner refers to the first and last lines, first number and last number. Like suppose in this ticket, 14 and 15 are the upper top corners and 6 and 79 are the lower top corners. So after you complete all the 4 corners, then you can claim the 4 corner one. And full housey, obviously when all your numbers are over, then you can claim the full housey. I hope all you have understood.
The participant who has maximum amount of point will be heading towards the second round of the event.
Okay, so let's take it to the offline and let's share them in the WhatsApp.
Dhritiman, please keep track of all participants who are actually participating and also who are the winners for each of these events. Okay.
And the participants, please make note
Okay,
of the ID and password.
Sir, can you pardon? Your voice was cracking.
The participant should make a note of the ID and password that was visible.
Okay, sir. So all the participants can now leave the Zoom and we are sending you the personal login ID and password in
Also,
your respective WhatsApp teams.
Introduce the Supply Chain Matrix game if the anchors are there. Are the anchors for Supply Chain Matrix available?
Just briefly introduce rules and regulations of supply chain matrix.
Supply chain matrix. Rajoshi আছে নেই?
I think Rajesh is not there.
Ma'am, I'm here.
Rajesh is there. Okay, Rajesh, please briefly mention or briefly explain your rules and regulation.
Okay. Okay. Guys, this is supply chain matrix to all of them who are present here. Okay, this game is all about the concepts and conventions, nuts and bolts about the concepts of economics. This game is totally based on the economics as well as on the national income practices that have been performed all over the years and the decades in the fields of economics and the optimization. So the game is all about that you need to increase the money value or the income in the economy. So the game is an offline game and the participants can play with the help of the mobile applications. The participants have to enter with the mobile applications and login. Those who have entered, they will be simply right now.
So as far as I understand that supply chain matrix already has a participants WhatsApp group. So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
please keep checking that. As soon as the Tombola event is over, Rajoshi will personally let you know when the supply chain matrix game is about to start. That is when you should log in, right? And Rajoshi,
Yes,
please keep track of all the participants so that none of them are left out. Okay.
And please tell them we will announce the names of the winners on 7th July, Rajesh. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The winners, they will be submitting their documents as well as the details of the games on the links that will be provided on the WhatsApp group. Or
Yes,
on the
yes.
link.
You will require time to check
Okay.
through all those documents.
Yes.
Yes. And
Yes,
finally,
and
you will
then,
submit the winners' names. Okay.
and we will be declaring the winners and the result on the 7th of this month.
Okay. Anchors, please close down the Zoom session.
End the meeting.
Just a moment, sir. So we will again join back tomorrow with the Zoom session. Same ID, same password, same link. At what is the time for tomorrow? 11 or 10:30?
11.
11.
10:45 বলেছে শাইমা।
Acha. So
Okay.
please join us again at 10:45 tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now please.
Thanks to all of you.
I think it is now time to switch off the Zoom.